Hello guys, today I want to talk with you about this Turtle Beach Atlas Air headset, and this is a wireless gaming headset, and actually it's even more, it's a world first floating Earcup design, and I will show you this in a second. But in general, let's start what you will have inside the box, and then I will show you how it works. First of all, you will have the headphones itself. It's pretty nice and really premium quality of the materials and in general structure of this build. You see that it's open back, so it will be very light on your head, right? We have these air caps, and you can adjust even angle how they are inserted, because you can scroll this part, right? On the one side you have the volume control, so this huge mechanical knob, you can increase or decrease the volume, which is great. Also, inside the box you will have a mic, and this mic you can insert into this port, so you will have a mic together with headphones, so you can communicate with your friends playing different games. And it's a very interesting feature of this mic. You can mute this mic, just switch it back, and unmute, switch or turn on, right? It's a pretty unique design and idea. It's very nice. On the back side or the bottom side of the left part of this headset, you will have a USB-C port to charge. You will have 3.5 to connect via cable, and you have this cable inside the box and USB-C cable as well. Also, you can switch on wireless mode, and for this you have this wireless dongle. So right now I will connect this to my PC, and through this dongle I will be able to connect my headset to my gaming PC, right? And let me show you, let me start recording of my screen, so you will see this Swarm 2 application, what you can use as a driver for these headsets. Also, it's a one application for keyboard and for mouse and for other devices from Turtle Beach. It's pretty nice that you have one place where you can go and set up all your gaming devices from this brand. So first of all, to connect your headset to your wireless dongle, you need to press this power button. If it's switch on, it will be switch off. If it's switch off, it will switch on, right? Then you will hear in the headsets that it's wireless on, and you will see your headsets on the dashboard of the application, right? Now you can drill down into the settings of these headsets, and you will have settings for the audio, and you will see settings for your mic, and also in the game you will be able to adjust all these settings separately or all together. And also you will have some additional settings like pop-up battery notification or voice and tone prompts level and LED brightness for transmitter, what I have in my gaming PC. So what is interesting, and I promise to show you, this world first Earcup floating design, and you see that this part is kind of on this flexible stuff, so it's not fixed into the frame of headsets, it's kind of floating. And all of this brings, like this part, right, this breathable part, this cap and this floating design, all of this make this headset, it's really lightweight. I can spend hours and hours playing in different games wearing this headset, and I just can feel it, I really can feel anything on my head. It's so light, and still it's so powerful. You can easily switch on or increase the volume, you can decrease the volume, and you can mute your mic, you can unmute my mic. It's pretty convenient, and you hear the beep, and you can remove your mic totally. If you don't need it, you can just hide this, and if you need this, you can immediately
switch on and you can use your mic during the game. And right now I'm recording my voice on this mic, so you can hear the quality of the mic. I need to say that's a little bit, low. Maybe I don't. I need to find the settings to increase the sensitivity of the mic, but right now I have 100% and it's still a little bit low, but in general everything else just perfect. And sound in a game, just amazing. You can hear everything. You can hear everything on the left side. You can hear everything on the right side. It's just amazing. Also, this headset's compatible with everything what you can may need, like PC, PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch. You can connect these headphones to your mobile, and let me show you closer so you can see the structure and design and quality of these headsets on your screens. So this open back design you see on this side, it's not a solid cap, it's a breathable part as well, so your ears will be always kind of cooling naturally, and also you will be able to hear if you want to hear anything outside. So this is also pretty nice part of the design for these headsets. Also, you need to know that it's 24-bit resolution and high fidelity wireless audio, so you can use Bluetooth or wireless, and quality of the sound will be amazing for all these types of connections. So what I may say as a conclusion, this is a perfect headset. I like it a lot, playing in a Homeworld or Helldivers 2, and I can hear everything what I need to hear, and still I cannot feel this on my head. So it's no pressure, it's not weight, it's not warm or something like that. It's just amazing. So if you're looking for the perfect gaming headset, for premium gaming headset, just check this out.